Yung alam ko lang pantropiko. Ba't po may eyelash extension? That's normal eh. Sabi nila boys are naturally born with this eh. Yeah. Shout out. Trip niyo po ba ako ligawan, Gagi? Wag baka magselos yung mga babae ko. Yeah, actually I just came from I do buhat. Yeah, I just came from the gym and nag-eat lang ako dito ng hapunan. And yeah, I do live lang for fun. Patingin mo ng nails nyo. Gagi, wag, pinagtitripan lang ako ng ex ko nito. Ewan ko nga eh. Brent is watching, Gagi. Hi, Tol. Musta, Tol? Workout din tayo minsan, Tol. Sabay. Alam mo yun, workout bodies lang. Kuya, pa headlock po. Gusto mo lang talaga mag-flex ako eh. Ito na nga. Pwede mo nang gawing unan to. Eh kaso naka-nails. Gagi par, don't mind the nails par. Let's normalize that. Hey nurse. Hey nurse Allen, pwede mo bang gamutin yung kagwapuhan kung umaakit ng mga 100 ng babae? Nurse, pwede mo ba gamutin yung baby ko? Kulang ng lambing eh. Hi kay. Ganda na nails mo, Tol, may star. Gagi, wala talaga, ganyan talaga.
Slime Dami.
Time passing, time passing. You wanted to know what the hype was.
Gagi, Tol, don't send me that kind of gift, Tol. You're ruining my hairstyle eh. Kainis kayo ah.
It was worth it. I would do it again.
Stop sending me that kind of stuff, ha? It's not funny. It's not funny. Turn the lights on. It's not funny. Turn the lights on. It's not funny. The hell? Think the role suits me better, ma'am. Mas bagay kami ni Laura. Sana okay. Sino ba yun? Ba't may bading dito sa bahay na to? Sino yun? Thank you sa'yo, Cookie Ban. Baka gusto mo i-kiss ko yung ano? Eh. Tumili si bro. Di yun ako, sorry guys. Kapatid ko yun.
I think we're ready for it. Let's keep it on the way. I'm ready for it.
Akala ko kay Sean ako sa'yo pala. Girls, just... Wala na ako dyan. Ayoko yun sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Sanay na ako na may na-inlove sa akin eh. Huwag na kayong dumagdag sa pila, please. Ba't may lipstick? Gagi, kissable lips lang ako.
Kung mali makasama ka ako, makasala. Walang iibig ng ako kasahin, dito bang kasalan? Paboritong kahulugan lang kahit na pinamagan. Kakampi o kalaban, kung ano gusto mo itawag sa'kin. Di na pare ako darating, isama na ako sa mga lalaki mo ako.
Kapal na blush natin tol ah. That's not blush, that's boyfriend blush. Tol, are you not on trend? Shoutout nga pala sa mga beautiful ladies out there. Sorry, my baby kept on texting me eh. Sorry tol ah. Just a minute. Just a minute lang tol ah. Asan yun? Nawala. Sorry. Tama na mi. Hey kay Ferdinand. Hey kay Ila, shoutout sa'yo. On flick kilay natin tol, kakapa-thread ko lang tol. Just don't mind me na lang ha. Medyo messy na kasi yung ano ko eh. Salamat po. Gusto niya lang masakal eh. Shoutout tayo Akira. Gusto mo pakasalan na kita eh.
tonight. And after that, let's do it one more time. Girl, I ain't one for begging, but now you got me begging. Please me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want me, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Tease me, baby. Turn around and just tease me, baby. You got what I want me, baby. Let me hear you say, please. Let me hear you say, please. Put it so down, put it so soft. Bet you wanna take it again. Hey, let me demonstrate.
Invite tayo ng guest, guys. Sure. Sure. Not yung idol ko si Zach. Andito pala si Zach eh. Hey, tol. Paano ba yun? Agad. Shoutout sa mga girls ko there. Hey, Ashley, thank you, baby.
Lot of cash, bitch, I'm caked up. Just like her ass, fat as fuck. Yeah, she caked up. Yeah. We gon' put that pussy on it. Bitch, I'm tryna fuck and then I throw you to my home. To my brother, bitch, yeah.
Where are you based from, tol? I'm based from California, tol eh.
She can't tell you, she tell me hold up when I slide in. Yeah, and I might break her, she can't hold up when I dive in.
Yeah.
Fuck, she know I'ma swim, I'm diving right in.
Invite tayo ng mga girlies. Sure.
Go that ass, baby. Gon' show you something. Go that ass, baby.
Hi, Kayana. Gusto mo headlock kita dyan eh.
In my pockets, come and make something. Rich nigga, 6 figures, baby, come and face something. That's a bad bitch. I'm tryna smash her. She still a
Pag ako nabuntis.
ain't got hair and lashes. Yeah, being that pussy from the back, she call me.
Huwag naman yung mga ganun, guys. May mga minor dito, guys.
Throw that ass, baby. Gon' show you something. Throw that ass, baby. Gon' show you something.
Galing mo, kuya. Pwede ka ng pang that's my tomboy.
6 figures, baby, come and face something. Then I throw you to my home. Ooh, damn.
Sorry.
Pussy on me. Know that nigga ain't fucking you.
Zach, thank you, Zach. Kiss kita dyan eh.
Listen, bring your ass over. Drop the pen, bring your ass over. Hold on, I say bring your ass over. Then I drop the pen, you better bring your ass over.
Iya ako, guys.
Yeah.
Shout out kay Bree. Kay Brian. Wala tayong girls na maano eh.
Ikaw na lang ang katabi ngayong gabi. Pwede tayong magbabaga pag nalalamig.
Pa-headlock naman. Got you. Eh talaga, para-paraan kayo. Gusto nyo lang talaga na makita yung biceps ko. Uy! Andito si Christine. Ay, basta ka. Ganda mo. Ganda mo, miss. Pwede pa kiss.
Hindi ako ideya habang walang nakatingin. Samantalahin natin.
Hi kay Mikay.
Malayo na sa mundo, malayo na sa gulo.
Salamat, Mikay.
Pagkat nagpwesta tayo sa langit na sa rulo.
Thank you so much. Ano type mo sa babae? Usually, wala lang tol eh. I don't look at the outer, you know, Basta medyo thick lang. Tsaka, I want them to be, you know, yung kinda hard to get, or what? And sa dates, doll, no. I just need your presence, girl. I got you. Ako na bahala sa pagkain natin. Ikaw, just show up your beautiful face or what. Basta busugin mo ko later, ah. I mean, sa food. May banat ka ba? Hi kay Alberly. Reveal naman po, Gagi, wag. Tol, wag. Only my girlfriend can see this, eh. Do you have a girlfriend na po? No, actually, don't lose hope, actually. I don't have some girlfriend, you know. Study first ako'y Gagi. Ba't ang haba ng nails ng baby ko? Andito. Wala nga sila dito. Gagi kayo. Actually, chicken breast lang eh. If you work out, you just gotta work hard for it. Yun lang yung diet ko, guys. Chicken breast lang talaga with egg. More on proteins or what. Dahil na kasi nagbabuff ako ngayon eh. Yeah, shout out. Yeah. Wala akong ma-flex sa National Girlfriend's Day eh. Baka gusto mo, ikaw na lang. Pre. It's just, you know, my vibe when I ride my car. Yeah. Gawa ka. Kaldagan mo naman ako, tol. Ano ba yan? Hey, thank you, Ali. Love you, Ali. Requirements para maging GF mo, bro. Bro, that's kinda hard eh. Kasi I want a sponty girl eh. You know, gets mo yun? I want a girl with, you know, yung medyo pa hard to get. Kuya, ano yung fit size niyo? Bakit bibilan mo ba ako ng sapatos. Para ka namang ano eh. I'll tell you later. I'll PM you. Bro, naka lip gloss ka. No, it's pure saliva lang. Gusto mo, i-kiss mo pa eh. Ay, Shaggy, sorry. Ano top 10 rules mo para kay GF? Top 10 rules ko para kay GF, number 1, know her priorities. Dapat mauna ako kesa sa lahat. Number 2, gagi. Pag may favor ako, bawal niyang hindian. Okay? Number 3, susunduin ko siya sa school niya always. Number 4 rule ko kay GF, bawal siya mag-entertain ng iba. Ako lang yung pwede magka-friends sa amin. Thank you, Alex De La Cruz. Titikman. Gagi, wag niyan. Eh, tol naman eh. Kiss kita dyan, tol eh. Thank you kay Alex De La Cruz. Pinapakalig mo naman ako, tol. Tol naman eh, wag mo akong paputukan, tol. Gagi. Crush mo ata ako eh. Rules naman sa GBF. Rules sa GBF. Number 1, dapat mo na malaman na wala na mga sinasabi, makakating labi, bababaero. Para namang sira! Para ka namang sira, Alex! Pa-flex po ng jawline. Ano ba? Wala akong jawline, guys. Wala akong jawline, guys. Ano ba? Guys, wala akong jawline. Ano ba? Astrid, hello. Thank you. Ganda mo naman. Parang sira! Alex, ha? Salamat, tol. Sorry. Ang hot mo naman. Thank you, girl.
Yeah. Wow, wow, yeah. Philippine, yeah. Wow, mga chicks sumalapit kahit saan ako dumayo. Alam nila kung gano'n ako at saan. Malalit ng Pilipina, mga taga-Marikina. Kahit di ko kinikita, lahat sila Pilipina. Hindi ko matangke. Ako pinipili ng alam mo dyan, tinitili pangalan ko gabi-gabi. Mga bumabang sa laro kinamin. Sisi, parang Vice City. Sabi ng bitch, sabi ko, hello, Kitty, bitch. Kahit nakinak, ganito ako, kaya kung bakit kung ako di DC. Ako palawakin yung empire. Masyado pa maaga para sa bedtime. Palaguin yung pera mga 10 times. Palaguin yung yeah. QC parang Vice City, yeah.
Pas sa Twink. Twink, hindi ako Twink, tol. Hindi mo pa nakikita yung mga kakayahan ko.
Walang ganito kahit saan ka maganap. Lahat sila malalandi. Sabik sila sa amin lahat makagante. Nasa QC yung mga balita mainit.
Bagsak man ako sa performance task ko, pero sa ibang performance ako babawi, tol.
Pagkasama ko labas yung
Performance sa mape.
pangalan niya di ko mabanggit. Kung sino mang niya kapatid ay kay Jampong. Pinasahan na yung tropa kahit pa nahampog. Kasama niya babae lumabas yung lantot. Gabi-gabi na
Tatanggalin ko na naman fake news ko.
para may nakanto. Oy, sino na meron?
Girl, go touch some grass. Sana may headlock po ako. Sure. Gotta call you lang, ha. Message me. I'll pay. Don't worry. Stop sending me that gift. You're messing my hairstyle, eh. You're getting into my nerves, ha.
Mikey boy.
Baka mandilim yung paningin ko.
Ngayon ako ay muling nagbalik. Trip ko lang naman kayong makulit. Di naman dapat kayo maingit. Wala ka.
Sorry, guys, sorry. I'm not a red flag, Gagi.
Tahimik lang sa dead.
Sometimes you just have to, you know.
Mga para ko ito, para ba si Shanti. Gagawin ko gusto ko, just do it like. Alam mo na.
Thank you so much po. Thank you po. Uy, para sira! JSY, maraming salamat, tol. See you soon, tol. Basketball time minsan, ha. Thank you so much po, Sir JSY. Dea, stop playing with me, okay? You're getting to my nerves, ha? Hi lahat. Hi kay Lia. Salamat sa pag-send ng gift. Kiss kita dyan, eh. Shoutout sa'yo, Alex De La Cruz. Huy, ang dami naman yan! Alex De La Cruz, sobrang dami naman yan, tol. Ano ba yan? Tol, don't stop sending na, tol. Pang-date mo na lang yun sa jowa mo, tol.
Yung mga asawa nyo gusto sa akin magpakande. Galawan ng magulang din nagpasiindi.
Tigil mo na yan, tol. Baka headlock kita.
Yung mga naninira na nagkakalat na tayo. At mga naniniwala na kumakain.
Kakainis kayo. At dahil dyan, kakaldagan kita. This is for you, Alex.
Fuck me like you want. Put them thongs down, scream, no baloney. She got a whole lot of ass coming shakes.
Sorry.
A whole lot of cash coming breaks. Whole lot of cash, lot of cash. Bitch, I'm caked up.
Na-out of ano na ako, karakter. Alex! Alex, ha? Si Alex talaga, para talagang sira. Sana all kinakaldagan. Kuya, hands up ka po. Kaya talaga, gusto niyo lang talaga makita kilikili ko, eh. Sige na nga. Who that pussy? Don't be shy.
She ain't got hair and lashes. Beat that pussy from the best.
MC, thank you sa giraffe! Thank you sa giraffe, MC. Dahil dyan, flexan kita. Para sa'yo to, MC. Ma, na-trauma ako. Sinong ma? Tsaka ba't natatrauma? What's your name po? My name is Tyler. Tyler Montefalco. Yeah. Grabe ka naman, Alex. Alam mo talagang mahilig ako sa mga doggy, eh. Mga dogs, sorry. Ba't di siya natitigil? Anong glitch ba yan? Salamat, tol. Stop sending me that. You're messing my hairstyle, ha? Damn it. You stop it. Kainis kayo. Gusto niyo umigting yung pang ako? Ha? Damit ka, ha? Shout out to my girls out there. Have a good night, y'all. Grabe. Mark Oliver, ah. You think I'm playing, huh? Do you even know me? Do you even know me? I'm the owner of the school. So you better act. Damn it. You want me to pin you against the wall, huh? Been working hard on this hairstyle. You're getting into my nerves, huh? Watch your way, nerd. Hey, love that. Love that, Hannah. Thank you so much. Hey! Mark Oliver! Be my slave. You will be my slave for 1 month. Ano? Nagre-reklamo ka? Damn it. Don't you know me? I'm the campus Casanova. Do you even know me?
Slime Demi.
The hell?
Demi Slime.
Stop sending me that! You're getting into my nerves! Ba't parang nagiging si Ma'am Castro yan? Getting into my nerves, bro. You're not funny. You're not even funny. Salamat sa nag-send ng gift. Halik ang pasasalamat ko. Si KFC nung bata pa. Almark, tol. Thank you so much, tol. Laro tayo ng basketball soon, tol. Just contact me, bro. I'll be sending your DMs, you know. I'll be checking that. Okay? I just have a lot of things to do, but I think I might... Let's balling sometimes.
Di ko din alam kung anong pakibatid ko na sa pakain kami sa flight. Kung di pa nga umakan yung kamay ko, malamang ayuwan na ako ng 8 mile.
Parang sira ka talaga, Alex! Who's that gay? I don't have a gay brother, okay? So sorry. I'm so sorry for my sibling. KZ Tandingan, ikaw talaga bias ko. Who's K? Parang sira! Stop ruining my life, okay? Get out! Get the hell out of my room! Damn it! Thank you, tol. Alex, you're the best. Hey, Father. Amen. I'm not a bad boy, Father, eh. They kinda, you know, accuse me that I'm a bad boy daw, eh. But, you know, I'm just... Thank you, Alex. Ano po na hit niyo? Alex, para ka talagang sira. Ipa-follow back. Dude, you just want my follow back, dude, eh. You can just send it to me, eh. You can just send me a DM or what, bro. This is for my girls out there. I'll wrap you in my arms, baby. Pag di mo inaasahan. Uy, grabe ka naman! Grabe ka naman mag-send ng doggy. Alam mo, favorite ko talaga yung doggy, eh. Gonna post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh boy, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging haharanahin kita. Saan tayo mapunta? Yung tipong kahit wala na o kaya biglang may breakfast in bed. Gusto mo ng breakfast in bed, babe? I got you. Anong lolo? Palibhasa kasi you guys don't know the trend, eh. It's a dye. It's a hair dye. It's not lolo. Do you even know what a hair dye means? Andito si Father. Laro. What game? Basketball? What laro? Basketball or I also do golfing, eh. It's my hobby lang, eh. And also firing. Yeah. That's my sports in life, eh. What's your car po? Usually I do Porsche. I have my Porsche. Can you stop sending me that? It's not funny, ah. You're not funny. Turn the lights on. It's not funny. Precious? Sino yon? Sino yon? Uy, grabe ka, Alex. Thank you so much. Pa-follow kita. Maraming salamat. Pwede mo naman sabihin crush mo ako, tol, eh. I'm shy na, eh. Father, thank you so much, Father. Haharanahin kita. San man tayo magpunta. Father, nagka-compression shirt lang ako ngayon, Father. I hope you don't mind. I'll pay. No need to worry about it. Gusto mo May pa-durian pa. Pero mas masarap ka sa durian. Joking. Joking, LMAO. LMAO, Fur. Pa-biceps ka naman. Wala akong biceps, guys. Wala akong biceps, guys. Wala akong biceps, guys. Hey, love you, baby. Singer ka ba? I usually sing. Pero we don't do that usually in international schools, eh. Where do you base? I had a condominium here in BGC, or minsan I go to Rockwell, then minsan I have a unit there din, eh. Yeah, just like, yeah. I also own a house at Alabang. Yeah. Ikaw, saan ba kita nadala nun? Oh, sorry. Saan ba kita napalipas ng gabi nun? Sa house ko ba sa BGC? Sa Forbes? Or Alabang? I don't know. Ano po shade ng lips mo? Gagi, sa ano lang, kiss lang to ni Veronica. Uy! Veronica's my ex, ha? Thank you so much. At a life full of love, you're full of life. I love you. Sino si Veronica? No, babe, no. You're misunderstanding it. You misunderstood it, babe. It's not some big deal or what. Veronica's just my friend. Yeah. Salamat, Trina. Baka gusto mo titirahin. Ay, papatirahin kita sa amin if you want. I'll pay. Don't worry about it. Hi, Cairo. Labas po si Precious. Who's Precious? Who the hell is Precious? Oh, thank you so much for the massage. But I want you to do that to me personally, eh. Mag-switch ka na, tol. What do you mean by switch? Yan. Naka-off yung naka-off po yung invitation ni Wonick, guys. Hey, thank you so much, Yanni. You're so yummy. Thank you so much.
Mukhang tayo'y inabutan sa gitna ng daan. Ilagay mo na ang gamit.
Ano type mo sa girls? I usually love short girls. And yung medyo hard to get kasi syempre. Also, kinda party girl or what? It's okay. I don't usually have a type, eh. I just want a thick girls.
Gusto ko ng babae, huli mang makarating. Bigay ng magandang gamit, tinanap ng salamin.
Ang laman ng passenger seat, empty road, four-seater.
Para meron tayong space sa likod. Kung sunitin mo, kung sisilbi na taklo. Ang hiling di managot na masilip sa loob. Sa loob ng aking BMW sedan. Fuck-fucking sa
Na-miss ko yung lolo ko. Uy! Ba't ganon? Walang ganyan! Dude, stop messing with my hair. Do you even know me? Do you even know me? Huh? I'm the owner of this school. I'm the campus playboy. Sige, magalit ka. Gutom na ako, guys. Gutom na ako, guys. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I don't have abs, eh. Ang init-init sa Pinas, pinapainit mo pa. Paano ba yan? San ka ng palashes, Pogi? I'm naturally born with this, eh. Actually, a lot of girls love my my lashes, eh. Because, you know, it's a normal thing. I am blessed with this, eh.
You run the city.
Tang kinalatkad ng QC kami may-ari neto. Hey, Kimberly. Hey, is that Brent? I don't think so. Hey, Brent. May papakita ko sa'yo. Andyan ba si Brent?
Body weight down. When I tell you to sit on my face, don't just put 10% of your body weight down. Fucking sit on it. Sit like a chair. Don't ask if I can breathe. Just sit down. When I tell you to sit on my face, don't just put 10% of your body weight down. Fucking sit on it. Sit like a chair. Don't ask if I can breathe. Just sit down. When I tell you to sit on my face, don't just put 10...
Natakot ako. In character ka lang. Hindi naman ako nadidistract kay Brent. Who said nadidistract ako kay Brent? Do you even know me? Huh? You just know my name. But ball is my game. Stop sending me flowers nga. Kakabaduy. Charot lang po. I love you, Ate Life full of love. Who the hell are you? My sister, go down. Go to your room.
Dami ang smoke, nag-load, nag-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang doon, nag-coke, nag-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng smoke, nag-load, nag-choke, tapos nag-elevate. Malamang doon, nag-coke, nag-broke kasi hindi ka nag-behave. Dami ng bullshit na nangyari. Sige, tsagaan mo.
Hi kay Joya.
Sige, sumagat na puto lang. sakali. E di lumipad bago lumaghari. Dami pataling galing mo matari. Bago dumilim tawagin ng pare. Bago tumikim isipin kung bakit.
Hi, Siana.
Back time when I need to get off bank. Don't lie, get a weed, making more jakes.
Yo. Thank you so much, yo. Love you. Hey, Christy. Miss you, girl. Miss you, my girl. Pas sa halata. Halatang what? Halatang pogi? O talaga? Push mo talaga ako. Yani, thank you so much. You're so yummy. Angas naman ang lipstick mo. I don't have lipstick, tol. I don't have lipstick, tol. This is... I'm born naturally with this look. With this lip color, I guess. Hi, Angelita. Stop sending that, Roland, ha? You're messing with my hair again. Damn it. Let me just try to invite someone. Walang mga babae dito, tol. Walang mga chicks, tol, eh. Wala ko nakitang chicks, tol. Sayang. Maghanap lang tayo ng mga chicks, ha? Kahit random lang, tol. It's okay. Akala ko nung una. Akala ko nung una. Ouch! Ay, may friend ako dito, medyo ano to. Thirst trapper. Invite ba natin to? Invite natin.
Hala!
Hi, tol.
Ay, tol.
Musta, tol?
Ano, bagay sa'yo, tol. Ganda, bagay.
Diba, tol? Ano, nag-gym ka daw?
Oo, tol, nag-gym ako.
Ano yung mga routine mo, tol?
Wala lang, tol. Ano lang, push-up lang.
Push-up lang.
Push-up, ano. Ikaw, ano bang routine mo?
Ano, leg day lang tapos chest day, ganon.
Chest day. Kaya pala pumuputok yung chest mo ngayon, ah.
Anong putok, tol?
Yung chest mo ako, ang ganda.
Gagi ka.
Wala.
May mga kilala ka bang chicks, tol? Wala akong ma-invite, tol eh.
Wala, tol. Ikaw ba? Baka si Precious pwede.
Ayoko nun. Ayoko kay Precious, daming lalaki nun eh.
Kaya nga eh. 3 na nga sila ngayon eh. Alam mo ano, ganda naman ng hairstyle mo yun, tol.
Ha?
Ganda ng hairstyle mo.
Diba?
Nakakapogi.
Ay, yeah. Thank you so much. Ay, ano na, maghanap na ako ng mga chicks doon, tol. Thank you so much, tol.
Sige, tol.
Paano
Pwede ba
nga?
mag-hi sa'yo? Pwede ba may mag-hi sa'yo?
Sino?
Idol ka kasi nito eh.
Hi. Hi po.
Hi, Sissy!
Hi, tita.
How are you? Oh my God!
Ayan.
Bakit ka na?
Hi, tita. Ito na lang. Ganito na lang.
Message ako sa'yo. Kala mo ng friendship na friendship.
Thank you so much po.
Ayan.
Nag-message ako sa'yo. Yung may two, yung otoko na dalawa. Sama mo si Toby doon.
Ayun. Ayan. Nakapag-hi na rin siya sa'yo kasi lagi kanyang bukang bibig sa akin, tol.
Ah, ganun ba?
Oo, tol. Ano, hanap ka na ba, chicks?
Oo, tol. Pa-flex muna, tol.
Flex, ay. Wait lang. Tignan natin kung meron. Meron ba?
Hala! Tama na! Medyo na-vertigo ako. Sorry, I have some... I'm not feeling well kasi.
Ay, not
Sige na,
feeling
tol.
well. Sige, tol. Hanap
Bye,
ka
tol.
muna.
Love
Sige.
you. Ay, ano ba?
Ay.
Ingat ka.
Sige, bye, tol.
Sige.
Sige.
Kakainis naman yung pa-biceps nila. Lumabas saglit si Precious. Ha? Sino Precious? Who the hell is that? Eto. Hey girl.
Ang pogi naman! Hello po.
Hello, what's your name is Vivery, right?
Hello?
Hello.
Hi!
No, this is a tank top. Muscle tee.
Muscle?
Yeah.
May muscles ka ba?
Yung biceps ko eh. Parang... Why are you laughing, girl?
No, you...
Yeah.
Yes.
But you and I together looks more cuter.
Yeah, you have
Are you okay?
You have a point. Yeah, you're pointless.
You have a point too. You have a ball point.
Yes.
Wag, ayoko ng ballpen. Gusto ko maging papel sa buhay mo.
Parang makapal pa yung makeup mo kaysa sa akin.
Gagi, it's a natural blush. Talking to you is, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. What's up? What are you doing? It's your birthday?
Yes, I'm packing for the kids.
Oh wow.
Our future kids.
Our future kids.
Yes.
Yeah.
Isang dosena. Gusto mo?
Yeah. I can provide you family if you want. I can work for you. I can live. I can love. I can reach the heavens above, girl. Do you have any dogs out there? Why is it smirking, or giggling? Who's giggling?
I have 5 dogs here.
Oh. Hey. That's so very heartfelt. That's heartwarming.
Yes, yeah. Hindi ko na alam. Thank you. Nails reveal?
No. Nails girl.
Thank you.
Suits you. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Suits you.
Oh, thank you. Each other more.
You're 24?
Yeah.
You're 4. For the one for me.
Yeah, that's what I need. That's what I need, baby.
Hindi na pala ako yung nails reveal. Ikaw daw pala.
What?
My bad.
I don't do nails.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, these nails are, nabudol kasi ako ng ex ko eh. Veronica. She's my ex eh.
No, I don't know her.
As a supportive boyfriend, sabi niya, babe, pa-nails ka naman. Sabi ko, okay, no choice, di ba? And I'm not guilty naman, so like, here's my nails, oh.
Wow! You have prettier nails than me! My design, you have nail art.
No, it's okay. It's not. You're the most prettiest girl that I've ever met. Why are you so kilig? Don't act kilig.
Yes,
I don't like easy to get girls. I like hard to get girls.
Oh. I have to go.